Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that was recently reduced in price. This beautiful 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom property for sale is located in the upscale community of Flamingo Beach, Trelawny, and is within 10 minutes walking distance from the beach, 10 minutes driving from the town of Falmouth, and 20 minutes from the Donald Sangster International Airport. The house sits on 0.17 acres and is an income earner as it contains two separate one-bedroom flats. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 52 million or US $337,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.